on a road trip alone. Bro, I'm fucking cold. Holy shit, I just got snowed on. My phone literally shut off. Like, it won't turn back on. Can I get a classic small poutine, please? I love Banff. I should probably come here more often. Hi. So today I'm gonna be going on a road trip alone. You may be wondering why. Probably not because I do like everything alone, but so yeah, no, I don't really do very many things with my friends because they just have better things to do without me. Just kidding. I don't know, I just like doing things alone, okay? And sometimes it's better just doing things alone because you don't have to deal with anything. I don't know, bruh, why? So today I'm gonna be driving 2 hours, an hour and a half to Banff. Why is Sterling crying? Oh yeah, my dog's with me, by the way, because I can't do anything without my dog. Today I'm gonna be driving an hour and a half to Banff. If you guys don't know where Banff is, it's like an hour and a half away from Calgary. And if you guys don't know where Calgary is, it's in Alberta. And if you guys don't know where Alberta is, it's in Canada. It's right next to British Columbia, which is the province, which we call like states here in Canada, provinces. That's just what it's called. So it's the province next to BC, and BC holds Vancouver. I don't know if that's a good representation, but that's where we're gonna go today. I don't really know what I'm doing there. I'm just really bored. Every time I try to go to sleep at night, I can't sleep. You know why? Because I don't do anything with my life to tire out myself. So I just literally lay on my couch all day, or like just sit on a chair all day, or lay in my bed all day, and I don't do anything, so I can never sleep at night. Even though I'll wake up early and, you know, I'll go to bed and and be in bed by like 9 o'clock, I still can't sleep until like 2 a.m. and it's an issue. So I thought maybe I should get up and do something with my life. So now we're gonna be going on a road trip. Hopefully this, you know, makes me feel something. I don't really know though, because it's literally just going to the mountains. This lighting is being crazy. Anyways, what was I talking about? If you want to experience some real winter for Christmas season, this is the video for you. Because I'm gonna take you along with me because I have no one else to take along with me. I'm really gonna be taking you on the ultimate Canadian experience because right now we're headed to Tim Hortons. So I'll update you when I'm there. Good morning, what can I get you? Hi, can I get a sausage farmer's wrap meal? A medium vanilla, actually hazelnut iced coffee. Do you guys have plain Timbits?
No, they're all glazed.
Alright, that's it then. We out here at Tim Hortons. If you guys don't know what Tim Hortons is, it's like a Dunkin' Donuts or like a Starbucks, but way better. It has like good food. It has soups, sandwiches, wraps, salads. They have a bunch of drinks too, and donuts and Timbits, which you guys call donut holes, but we call it Timbits here. So good. Oh, and it's iconic as an ice cap. I just don't really like ice caps that much anymore. I used to. So I'll show you what it is. So just in case, you know, you're ever in Canada and you want to go get some food, you come to Tim Hortons because it's iconic. Also, I did my makeup differently today. I don't know if you can tell. My eyebrows are a lot bigger. They're not as arched. My eyeliner is not going up. My eyes don't look like they're going up. They're not fox eyes or like cat eyes. I saw this girl do Korean makeup and I was like, ooh, I want to try it, and I tried it. Definitely not it. Like, my eyebrows are still way too arched and my eyes makeup could be better, but it's my first time doing it. I definitely think I need new products to do it though, because I need like more cream products, but I kind of like it. I feel like it makes my eyes look bigger and it kind of just accentuates my natural eye shape. Like, it's not doing anything different. Oh my god, holy crap, this drive-thru is moving so freaking fast. Apple Pay, thank you. Have a nice day. Guess you didn't want to say you too. It's cold. I definitely did not dress for the weather, but it's fine. Let me show y'all what a farmer's wrap is. The packaging looks like this. You open it like this, and then inside there's sausage, cheese, egg, chipotle sauce, and a hash brown. Iced coffee. To be honest, Tim Hortons coffee is a hit or miss. I like McDonald's coffee better. Ugh, the farmer's wrap is always the best. If you were an OG, you knew every single day before high school, I would get either this or a sausage and egg McMuffin from McDonald's with another hash brown. So good. All right, let's head over. An hour and 55 minutes, the fuck? I haven't driven to the mountains in a minute. I think the last time I drove here was in the summer, and then the last time I was actually in Banff was the winter, like maybe January. I went with Talia and we went to go eat and we went to a thrift shop, so maybe we can do that today. But I remember I went there after my breakup and I was like, it's true. It's currently winter time, if you guys can't tell. I don't miss living in Edmonton or Whitecourt at all, and the reason why is because it is so much fucking colder there. Like, why is it so goddamn cold? Like, I get it, it's more north, but like barely. It's like a 3-hour drive and it gets way more cold. Like in Calgary, I'm like, ooh, a brisk -25. Like honestly, like winter, yay. Like right now it's +2, which is really weird. This winter has been weird because usually it's like -40 by now. But last year in January in Edmonton, it was -45. I was gone in Bali because of fuck that. I am not gonna stay here for -45. But in Calgary, I don't think it gets like that much colder just because there's like warm winds, I think, or whatever from BC, like the ocean. I don't know, honestly. That's why it's called Chinook or something, and it goes over the mountains and it comes into Calgary. So I don't think it's like that cold. I don't know. Like to me, Calgary is bearable. I love Calgary. And see, the thing is, I was gonna move to Toronto, and I was like set on moving to Toronto. I was gonna live in like a loft in Toronto, buy a place there. But then I was thinking, okay, oh, we're in Canmore. Listen, I love Adeline, I love Brianna, but I don't have any other friends there. And if I get lonely and depressed there, and they don't want to deal with my bullshit, who's gonna be there for me? Nobody. And my parents aren't gonna want to fly 3.5 hours, 4 hours to come see me. So I thought it would be better to stay in Calgary. I love Calgary. It's right above California, basically. So a flight from California to like LA to Calgary is only like 2.5 hours, 3 hours. So that's like not far at all. And to get to Toronto from Calgary, it's 3.5 hours, 4 hours. So that's a far way. And then to get from Toronto to LA, that 5 hours, 5.5 hours, it's just long. And I always switch back from LA to Calgary, and I know you guys are probably so confused about that, but basically I want to live in Calgary for the rest of my life. I think like at least Canada, maybe Kelowna, I don't know, but somewhere on the west side. Never eat soggy fingers. Okay, I just want to be right. The west side. I want to live on like the west side of Canada just because I love it, and it's close to California, so I want to live like there for the rest of my life. But I also want to live in LA. I don't know about LA for the rest of my life, but I definitely do like LA. I never thought that I'd be a person that actually like likes it, but I do like it. And I think the reason why I like it so much is because I have people there that like I actually care about, and like I have real friends there, like especially Daniela. Like Daniela is a real one. If I wasn't friends with Daniela, I would not be going to LA. Like I'm just gonna say that right now. Daniela was not in my life. I would never go to LA. I'm sorry, but it's true. Like honestly, literally like the only reason why I go to LA is obviously the warm weather, but Daniela and like some other people, but like that's the only reason why I go. It's because like people I care about. So yeah, I really like LA, and I'm planning to go out there next year as well. I don't want people to think that just because I'm going out to LA means I'm gonna be a basic another influencer that just goes out to LA. I mean, yes, I am, but I think I'm going there for like different reasons. Like I'm not going out there to make connections with people and like meet different influencers. I really don't care about that. I just really like the people I'm surrounded with in LA, and I really like being around Daniela and her family and some other people and stuff like that. So yeah, but I also love Calgary because, you know, we have the mountains like I'm doing now. You can go on like little mini vacays. I obviously have my real family around here, and I have my close friends around here, like my friends that I grew up with, and I want to be around them forever. Obviously I don't hang out with them as much anymore, and I'm like, I know I don't, but I would like to have them around just because, you know, they're real ones, and I've known them for so long, and I don't think I could ever like leave them. I don't know. I like thought about it, and I was like, damn, that would suck because like you've known them for so long, and imagine leaving them. I'm going so goddamn slow on the road right now, even though I'm passing everybody. I was going below the speed limit. Everyone in Calgary speeds. Like everyone speeds here. It's fucking crazy. How have you been feeling lately? Mentally, emotionally, and physically? Honestly, physically, I'm like good. I don't really care about how I look that much anymore, and I think that like this is like some of the most that like I haven't cared about how I look. Like I've kind of embraced looking like a rectangle because my camera ran out of storage. Oh, I'm such a shitty YouTuber. Like honestly, like I know I say that a lot, but like I don't have like the most aesthetic edits ever. I don't have really good videography. I feel like the only thing I bring to my table is my personality, which like thanks. But anyways, yeah, I don't really care about my body that much anymore. Like I don't really work out anymore, which I'm gonna start doing it just because like it's good for you, and like just good for your health in general. But like I don't really care. I kind of just realized like obviously you shouldn't give a fuck about what anyone thinks about you, and you should be doing things for yourself, but obviously like you want to look good for other people as well. No one really, I mean like obviously it's like nice to have like a good body and everything like that, but no one really cares, and your personality matters so much more than your body. It's true, people obviously care about personality way more, so work on how to be the best version of yourself. If someone doesn't like you because you don't have the ideal body type or whatever, maybe, just maybe, you shouldn't be with them. And obviously I'm not working on my body for people, but it's just something in the back of your brain always, you know what I mean? You want to be like these other people, and like stop comparing yourself. Stop comparing yourself to other people, because if you have a kind personality, that tops everything. you know? Mentally, physically, and what? Emotionally. No, emotionally, I've been crying a lot lately. I really don't know why. I think it's because my period's supposed to start like next week. I cried myself to sleep yesterday, even though it didn't work. Like I couldn't get tired. I cried like twice yesterday. I just been crying a lot. Reason why? Mentally. Ooh, I don't know why, but lately I've been feeling very confused, just confused in what I'm doing with my life. I mean, like, yes, I'm buying a house and like it seems like I got my shit together, and like it looks like I got my shit together, but in reality I don't even know what I'm doing. Obviously, yeah, I'm buying a house and it looks like I do, but that doesn't mean shit, guys. I still don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm going back and forth from LA. I'm never at one place at once, which can be very bad for your brain, you know, because you don't have like a home. So it's kind of difficult, but that's where I'm at. I don't know. I just thought that this trip would be nice for me to just relax, do something on my own. I've been alone a lot lately, but I've also been with family. No, actually, I haven't been alone. I've been alone for one day. What am I saying? Ever since I've been in LA and since I came back, I was alone for one day and my parents were around me. So yeah, this is my first day alone in like a month. So this feels nice. Feels very nice. So I'm excited. Me and you, baby, we're going on a trip together. There's a parking space right there. Can I park there?
Just go around.
Okay.
Park over there.
Okay. Bruh, I don't want to park all the way up here. I just want to park there. I know my car can make it through the snow. I think we're good. He's literally as tall as the snow. Sterling. I'm so fucking cold. You guys can see how red my cheeks are. That ain't blush, bro. I'm fucking cold. But we're walking to the lake right now. Oh, I look stupid. Oh my god. Wow. So pretty. So, kids are ice skating over there. Sterling is having the time of his life. Holy shit, I just got snowed on. The wind literally just blew all this snow in my face. They make these like ice castles. It happens like everywhere. It happens in my town. But they just like build out of ice. It's so cool. Also, my top lip is disappearing the colder it gets. This is so cute. I did this with my boyfriend at the time last year. And it was so fun. Just going ice skating on the lake. I'll insert a picture of what it looks like during the summer. It's like super blue and there's like no filter. People are currently ice skating. It's real cute. I can skate. Can you guys skate? I can skate, but I just can't stop when I skate. That's the only issue. It's so fucking freezing. But you can see like the snow blowing out. If you guys can see back there, that's just like snow blowing around from the wind, and then there's always bobcats running around to clear off the snow. He looks like he's enjoying his life. It's so cute. This is such a Canadian thing when your phone gets glitchy. I don't know if you guys experience it, but in the winter, whenever it gets cold, your phone like stops working. It's like, Sterling, oh my god, what is he doing? Why? I like don't get it. I really don't get it. But like the phone just loads so slow. Yeah, like so pretty. My phone literally shut off. Like it won't turn back on because it happens all the time. Like I remember when I used to go to the ODRs all the time when I was younger. Not younger, just like in high school. Your phone would always die and you could never like get pictures or anything because it was so cold outside. My cheeks are so red. Natural blush. Currently I was just walking around looking at places and then someone came up to me. She's like, can I take a picture with you? She knows who I am. What's your name? Queenie. Queenie. How long have you been watching my videos for?
2 years ago.
2 years? Oh my gosh, she's a real one. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. We're gonna take a picture. Oh my gosh, yes, she knows. She freaking knows. She's so cute. There's a whole photo shoot going on right now. Oh my god. He's so hyper. I really don't get why. Like he loves the snow. He'll purposely jump in a whole pile of snow. Honestly, kind of used to the cold now. Like, it's not cold anymore. I can have my hands out. This is a lot of walking though. Made it to the parking lot. Oh, this is such a pretty background. This lighting. Hopefully I don't get stuck. Come on. Get your fat ass over. I look like a f***ing mess. Gotta plug this in. It's cold. Heat all the way up. Blasted. That gave me an adrenaline rush. Are you happy? He's so happy. I love my dog. All right, that was so cute. I haven't been there in a minute. I love Banff. I should probably come here more often since it's literally only like an hour and a half away. I just love it. I definitely need always a place in Canada because it's... Are you good? I always need a place in Canada because it's so fucking beautiful. On a side note though, that subscriber was so cute. And she took my fucking Instagram pictures for me. She's a real one. I love meeting subscribers. It's so cool to me. I don't know. It's like so weird how like y'all are a real like person that like I can meet. You know what I mean? Like, it's so weird that like I'm not just talking to an inanimate object. I'm talking to people, like you, like a lot of yous, you know? It's literally crazy because to me, I don't think about how many people this reaches out to. Thank you so much if you do support me. I really appreciate it, and I want to try to give back to you guys as much as possible. So if you guys don't know, I'm giving away a Canon M50, AirPod Pros, and these other things. And all you guys got to do is subscribe to the channel you're watching right now to be a part of the family, and comment something on my Instagram, and also obviously follow my Instagram, and you can follow my TikTok for an extra entry. Anyways, let's go to Banff, the town of Banff.
Christmas tree.
I got to Banff safely. It was like, it literally felt like 10 minutes, even though it was like 40 minutes. It felt like 10 because the views were so nice. You like don't get bored driving, but there's so much to do in Banff. I think I want to go hit a thrift store first. I don't need to buy any clothes. I never need to buy any clothes, but I just want to go because it's cute. And then we'll just walk around and see what's up. I think this is the most like dead I've ever seen Banff. Like, honestly, when I walked in here, I thought the shops were closed or something because I didn't see anybody, but I feel like everyone's doing better things right now. Even though it's a Sunday, I thought it'd be super busy, but it's really not. So it feels nice. It's like a little ghost town, I feel like. It's so cute. First up is snuggle gifts. Why, you may ask? I need to get gifts for Daniela in LA. I don't really know what to get her because I've already got her so much Canadian stuff, but this would look so good on the off-white keychain that I got her. I'm gonna get this. It's so cute. Thank you. Got him. I just got the keychain that I showed you guys, and then also 2 lighters. One for my friend in LA and then one for Daniela because they always lose lighters. Next up, the thrift shop. No! Holy crap, y'all. I was literally in a crystal shop for like an hour just picking up crystals to make a bracelet. But damn, I don't know if y'all believe in crystals or not, but I'm gonna try it out. I don't know what to do now. Should I get a poutine? Can I get a classic small poutine, please? I got a poutine. Got the goods. I'm heading back to my car now because I want to eat my food and drive home. Adventures. I literally feel like I'm in this fucking town alone. That's how dead it is. I look like a tourist right now bringing around my camera. Tourist vibes. Oh my god, guys. Bring Canada. Oh my god. Alright, that was a lot of activity for one day. Let's eat this poutine. Alright, let me show y'all what it's about. This is what a poutine is. It's fries with gravy and cheese curd. Let's try it. I like poutine with dark gravy the best, and this doesn't seem like dark gravy, but we'll try it. Gotta get a little cheese in there. You wanna try some? Eat it. It's good. Definitely not the best poutine I've had though. Poutines originate from Montreal, I think, which is like the other side of Canada. I wanna come back here, but with like friends, you know? I feel like that could be fun. Or like if I could snowboard, that'd be fun. But I can't, I'm pretty bad. Let me know if you can snowboard or like ski, what you do. Also, let me know, like, what do you do when you watch my videos? Like, do you cook? Do you clean? Do you like do homework? Do you just like sit in bed and watch? Like, I'm curious, what do you do? God damn, I almost choked. All right, let's go back home and go to Michael's because I want to make this crystal bracelet. Filling up. It's going. I need to get a drink though because I'm just thirsty. Holy shit, that filled up so fucking fast. A dumb bitch dropped it in snow. Now it's time to drive home. It's gonna be dark by the time I get home, but it's okay. Today was fun. Love being lonely. It's really fun. Love being single. Are you ready for a relationship? Let me know because it's winter time. It's getting fucking lonely. Like everyone's coupling up. Everyone's getting cuffed, and I'm just here single. But I don't know if I enjoy it. I think I do, but I don't know. Also, this bitch is going off again. Anyways, let's go home. All right, so I'm home now, but I gotta do family shout out of the day and comment of the day. If you guys don't know, I do this in every single video where I shout out a fan page of the day and then also a comment of the day. So if you guys want to be a comment of the day, follow my Instagram and then just comment and be active. Also, I'm doing a giveaway, so check that video out. If you guys want to be family shout out of the day, just make a fan page, I guess. Family shout out of the day goes to Dear Fammy. She made this edit and it's so freaking cute. I love when you do edits and it's like video clips of my YouTube. I think it's freaking cute and it's like the cutest edits ever. Like, I don't know, like I think it's so cute to watch because like you took the time to like watch the video and like screen record it, and then like it's just so cute. So yeah, thank you for that edit. Also guys, I made this crystal necklace. Oh my god, I'm kind of scared for Moldavort, but no, that's not Moldavite. Yeah, kind of scared, but we'll see how it goes. But if you guys want like an update of what crystals I got, let me know and I can do one. And comment of the day goes to this girl right here. Thank you so much for having my post notifications on, and I'm so glad that I can help somebody with life in general. Like that's what I want to be here for you for. Like I love that I got this connection with you, that you feel like done something, like an impact on your life. Like that's so fucking crazy to me. Thank you. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Make sure to follow my Instagram and follow all my rest of my social medias because I'm doing giveaways all the time and stuff like that. So yeah, and then also just be updated. If you guys want to be comment of the day, follow my Instagram, subscribe please, I would really appreciate it. And until next time, peace.
east and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should arrest her.